Hello, my name is Olo Eniptiguiña Peláez Castrillón. I am a student of a Bachelor in Foreign Language with an emphasis in English. I am in the fifth semester at UNAD. I chose English because it is part of my curriculum and it is mandatory, but also because I want to improve my English level. My current level is A2. I do not feel very confident speaking English, but with practice, I think I am improving little by little. Grammar is difficult for me. Sometimes vocabulary is also difficult. I need more vocabulary and better pronunciation. I want to speak more fluently. When I am with classmates who have the same level, I feel comfortable. But when and with the teacher or people who speak English better than me, I feel uncomfortable and nervous. I learn better with practice and listen. I like to watch video and listen to English sometimes, and I understand everything. But sometimes do not understand very well. I want to understand more, especially natural speaker. Normally, I study in afternoon. Every day, I study about 15 minutes. Practice grammar and pronunciation. Now I want to study 30 minutes every day to improve vocabulary and grammar. And I started learning English in school. I was very difficult because at the same time I was learning Spanish. Native language is Cuna Tule. For that reason, I had many difficulties and I did not understand anything at the beginning. In university and UNAD, I continued learning English. Now I understand more. I can read and understand conversation, but I still need to improve a lot. My goal is to improve my grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. I want to understand native speaker and speaking without fear. I will measure my progress when I understand more vocabulary, when I can understand native speaker, and when I feel more confident speaking English. To achieve my goal, I will practice every day, study more vocabulary, listen to video, and speak without fear. Thank you very much.